Good afternoon. It's February the 18th. Time to wrap it up for our trade recommendations made in the 10-year note this morning at 6:45 a.m. Central. We like the long side of the market today. Yesterday, the open interest in puts fell dramatically in both the 10-year and the 30-year, and that usually signals the end of the selling. But we recognize that resistance from the overnight session was at 12 to 16. So we started off wanting to sell 11s to 15s. The market managed to rally to 17, and we started out hoping to buy 1s to 5s, and we had to raise it up to the 8 to 12 area because the news that hit the market at 8:30 was positive for financials. So starting off early, if you had time to make this B trade right here, it would have been a small winner. This B trade would have been a small winner. This B trade right here would have been a small winner. And if you'd waited for this S, and we really weren't interested in the short side of the market, this one would have been a small winner or a scratch. We move our stops to break even after 2 bars. This is a retest failure trade up against 17, and you were short at 15.5, and the market trades down to 9.5 right here, 9.5 for 10. For another nice winning trade. This sets up a mean green trade to retest this high here, and the mean green trade, if you held that all the way through, it was a nice trade. If you chose to take this trade or that trade, any of these 3 trades would have worked out well for you. This last one is not a trade because you did not take out the signal bars high within 1 bar. So we had pretty good trading up to here, and then the market just kind of dies. There's no trade here off of this S because you don't break that bar's low. There is a retest failure trade right here, which gives you a small winner, and then the market just dies and goes into chop. The FOMC minutes were released and it was off to the moon. The Fed said they would not be raising interest rates anytime soon to take the time. So we had 9 trades. If you had taken every trade, you had 1 to 2 losers. It was pretty hard to find those today. We did like the long side of the market, especially after the news changed this morning, and we did get a sell-off in our area in the 11 to 15 with a high of 17 up here. You would have been short off of this setup right here at 15.5. So we had a good day of trading the 10-year note. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of our software, our trading methodology, and our programs for traders. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.